Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started standing up with our arms next to our sides. Take a deep inhale, breathing in through your nose. Open mouth, exhale, sigh it out. Again, let's take a deep inhale, breathing in through our nose. Open mouth, exhale, sigh it out through your mouth. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder. Place your right hand on top of your head, extending your left arm out to the side. Take some deep breaths here, in and out through your nose. And now let's make our way to the other side, lowering our left ear to the left shoulder this time. Let's come back to center as you interlace your fingers together, facing the palms forward, straightening the arms in front of you. I'm going to face the side so you can see me. Take a big inhale, arching the back, reaching up, looking up. Exhale, round your spine, pressing the palms forward. Again, inhale, lengthen your spine, look up, open the chest up. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin into the chest. Again, inhale, arch the back, look up. Exhale, round your spine. And you can relax. Sweep your arms overhead, coming into your mountain pose. And side body stretch to the right. Drop your right arm to your side as you reach up and over with that left arm. Back to mountain pose. Side body stretch to the left. Reaching over with that right arm. Come back to your mountain pose and take a forward fold, reaching forward, reaching for your feet or the ground, and you just bend and straighten the legs, shaking the legs out. Let's slowly roll back up to standing. Our head is the last thing to come up. Let's take an inhale, coming into mountain pose, reaching up. Exhale, side body stretch to the right. Take another inhale, back to mountain pose. Exhale, side body stretch to the left. Take an inhale, reaching up. Exhale, forward fold. Shake your legs out. Slowly begin to roll up. Your head is the last thing to come up. Let's open our legs wide. We're going to take some hip circles. So push your hips forward. And now push your hips over to the right and back behind you. Make sure that back is flat. Hips to the left and back to the front. Now let's just reverse that circle. Make sure you're getting a full range of motion. Spread your arms out wide like you're getting ready to give somebody a big hug. Take an inhale. Exhale, wide-legged forward fold. Relax your upper body here and take any movement that you need. You can bend the legs, whatever feels good to you. And let's slowly roll back up. And I'm going to face the side here so you can see me clasp my palms together behind me. So you expand your chest, looking up, really just getting a good stretch here in the shoulders and the arms and the chest. And relax. Swing your arms from side to side. Just getting all of the kinks out of our body here. And now just take some movement with your legs. And let's end by bringing our hands to heart center. We take a big inhale in through the nose. Open mouth, exhale, sigh it out. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.